He's got 40 teeth on top and 40 teeth on the bottom. If you look at the back of the throat, it appears he has little to no throat opening. Capture food without drowning. He would usually then surface above the water to swallow that food. He likes to make it look dangerous sometimes. He's a bit of a showman. You do realize without me you'd be a suitcase, right? Just follow the script. All right, last trick we're going to do is what's called a face-off, because if by chance I do mess up. And this will also going to show you exactly what a bachelor's degree in psychology is now. From the University of Massachusetts, anyway. My parents wasted a lot of money on college. They don't really appreciate the fact that I make bad jokes about it in an alligator. Yeah. 51 years old, my dad's still telling me to give him his money back. Trust me, that would never happen. Last trick, don't do this. Oh, we almost made it. We were so close. The drugs are wearing off. I don't know what to do. Come on, man. Try this again. Okay. If you're going to do something, try to bite me. Let's go.
Hey, baby.
Apple bent to bag.
Sometimes people claim it smells amazing. But it's amazing how fast they move, isn't it? See, now at least you can really appreciate why you have to run zigzag. Yeah, otherwise they'd never catch you. They started that whole thing. You ever heard of that? Just an alligator run zigzag? That's the dumbest thing I ever heard in my entire life. And it's not your fault. Listen, don't run zigzag, just run.